Eat the sandwich first. Wait, where is the sandwich? See, that's what happens when instructions are not in the right order. Today, we'll learn how to write instructions step by step so nobody gets confused. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to practice an instructional writing. An instructional writing tells someone how to do something. We use words like first, next, then, and finally. To make our steps clear, let's remember, an instructional writing tells someone how to do something. The steps must be in the correct order, and we must use command words like first, next, then, finally, or first, next, then, after that, finally. Practice 1. Put the steps in order. Here are the steps. Put them in correct order. Eat the sandwich. Put cheese on the bread. Get 2 slices of bread. Put the top slice of bread on the sandwich. Model answer. Steps. First, get 2 slices of bread. Next, put cheese on the bread. Then, put the top slice of bread on the sandwich. Finally, eat the sandwich and enjoy your meal. Practice 2. Choose the correct word. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Number 1. First or finally, wash your hands. Number 2. Next or last, put soap on your hands. Number 3. Then or first, wash with water. Number 4. Finally or next, dry your hands. Model answer. First, wash your hands. Next, put soap on your hands. Then, wash with water. Finally, dry your hands. Practice 3. Fill in the missing step. Read carefully and complete the missing step. How to make a cup of tea. Number 1. First, boil the water. Number 2. Next, put a tea bag in the cup. Number 3. Pour hot water into the cup. Number 4. Drink the tea. Model answer. Number 3. Then, pour hot water into the cup. Number 4. Finally, drink the tea. Practice 4. Write your own instructions. Write 4 steps for how to brush your teeth. First, next, then, and finally. Don't forget to write them in the comments below. Model answer. First, put toothpaste on your toothbrush. Next, brush your teeth carefully. Then, rinse your mouth with water. Finally, put your toothbrush back and smile. Challenge. Choose one of these topics and write the instructions in the comments below. How to open a door, how to pack a school bag, or how to make a sandwich. Write from 4 to 5 steps and use first, next, then, after that, and finally. Well, I'm gonna answer one of them right now. So, if you haven't written anything yet, just stop the video, write one example now in the comment below, and get back to me. Okay, the model answer for how to pack school bag. First, put your books in the bag. Next, add your notebooks. Then, put your pencil case inside. Finally, zip the bag and carry it. If you enjoy learning English in a fun and simple way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I also offer online English sessions, don't forget, where we learn step by step and practice together. Fantastic job today! This was part 3 instructional writing and the last one. You practiced writing clear instructions in the correct order. Keep practicing, keep writing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!